G'day. Well, I got a couple of clips to show you today. I guess this is for people in Australia, but a lot of the Americans as well, who eat the wild pigs they take. And I just wanted to show you an example of exactly why I don't eat the pigs that we shoot in my area. Because you know they're omnivorous and they're sort of opportunistic as well, so they'll eat whatever they can really. And this little clip I'm about to show you is a perfect example of why I don't eat the pigs from this area. So just a bit of backstory on this clip. Red and I went out for a hunt the other day, and I got a stalk on these two pigs, and I knew one of them was a sow, and there was a bigger pig there. I couldn't quite tell what it was, so I had a stalk in, and just to make sure it wasn't a sort of older run out boar. But when I got in close, I saw they were just two sows. And then when they finally moved off the carcass they were feeding on, I saw that, well, I didn't know which sow had them, but there was I think about 6 or 7 young slips there, really young, probably, I don't know, a week or two old. And I love shooting pigs, but sometimes it just doesn't feel right knocking over a sow when they got slips that old. So I end up letting them walk, and yeah, you'll see that in the footage here, what they're feeding on. So yeah, that's why I don't eat them. This is why we don't eat the pigs that we shoot around here. That's red boar from last week, and those other pigs are just hooking into it. So that's the exact reason we don't eat the pigs from around here. I didn't want to shoot that old slips with hers. No, not that. I just see how young them slips were. Yeah. I just felt bad if I fucking shoot them. Righto, the second clip here. Yeah, it had me. I'm not on camera and you can't see me, but I'm sure you'll be able to hear. I was actually in tears, howling, laughing. Red was. This is actually from a week or two ago, and we came up on a mob of Billies. Actually, it's from, yeah, if you watch last week's video, you'll see the mob of goats that bed up, and Red actually shoots one of them, and then because they didn't know what happened, they were sort of looking around, and Red decided to have a bit of fun with them and call in a couple of the billies. And yeah, although we're mucking around here, it actually does work to call in a couple of billies, and I was pissing myself laughing, so I thought I'll show this and you might get a laugh out of it as well. So yeah, here it is. He saw you move then. He's coming. Got him interested. He's alright, this one walking through.
He's gonna come in, eh?
Yeah.
She's an old nanny up here. Here behind me. She's come from her.
This cunt here coming up. Look at the mass on him. You're gonna get raped here in a minute.
Closer shot. Nice go, too.
Yeah, that fella there that come right in, he's gonna be good.
Yeah.
In a couple of years.
This one here is going to be pretty good too.
Yeah, he's starting to go
Did
out.
you get a bit of footage of it?
No. Oh, with me head.
Oh, you should have filmed it.
No, I couldn't move. They had us.
No, I think they're... I was shaking my head around like a sin. Woo! Yeah.
Nah, too late. Holy fuck, he put it on.
Oh, it's fucking... We could have smoked them.
Yeah.
Male Billy cat. I'll leave them so don't slay them too much, so I can have a shot each time I come out.
It's good to sit there and watch them fuck around with them.
Yeah.
Righto, I hope you giggled as much as I did watching Red do that. Yeah, it's funny, but yeah, it actually really does work to call in billies if you chase a few goats. But yeah, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, really appreciate it if you hit the little red button and help the channel grow a bit. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.